Hello everyone, my name is Gabriel Jefferson Ibognot from UMS Golden. This is the spoken poetry that I made about friends. In the garden of our lives, friends are the flowers, bright and vibrant, standing strong through ours, roots entwined in laughter and tears. They lift us up and chase away our tears. Their voice are very gentle breeze that calms the storm. In their presence, we find a place that's warm. Hands reaching out with hearts open wide. In their company, there's nowhere to hide. Through the maze of moments, they light our way, turning dark, uncertain nights into golden days. They are the melodies in our song unsung, the echo of our joy when our spirits are young. When the world feels heavy and the road is unclear, there are the whispers that wipes our tears. In the stories, we find our own tales in their quiet, a comfort that never fails. Friends are the constellations in our vast night sky, guiding us through storms with a watchful eye. Their laughter is the spark that lights our path, turning mundane moments into the moments of mirth. In the moments of triumphs, they cheer with delight. In times of defeat, they hold us tight. Their presence is a promise that we're never alone. In their company, we find a place called home. They're the echoes of our past and the dream of our future, the constant in a world that's ever changing through the tapestry of life. They weave a thread binding our hearts with the love they spread. In every chapter, they are the ink and the page, a bond that doesn't fade with age. From the early days to the twilight calm, their friendship is a soothing, gentle balm. There are the stars in our nights, sky so high, guiding us with their light as the end goes by. Their laughter turns ordinary moments into gold, making every day a story to be told. Through every challenge and every cheer, their support is always near. Their presence is a constant, familiar face in the world that often feels out of place. Friends are the notes in the song of our lives, the rhythm that and beat that help us survive. Their friendship is the melody that we dance to a tune of love and joy that's always true. When we feel lost in the vast sea of time, they are the lighthouse guiding us with a shine. Their words are the compass, their actions the chart, leading us back to the beat of our heart. So here's the friend who walk by our sides in every storm. They are the guide in the garden of our hearts, where love does grow. They are the followers that always show. Their light shines bright in the darkest night. Their warmth is a beacon, a comforting sight. Friends are the reasons our spirits soar. Their love is a treasure we deeply adore. In the grand symphony of life song, friends are the harmony that keep us strong. They are the rhythm, the beat, and the dance, the magic that turns each moment into a chance. So let us celebrate those who share our days in friendships gentle, guiding rays for in the garden of lives where it's true love sown. Friends are the flowers that help us bloom and grow.